Hi, this is Maya. Here we are going to talk about the 4 most common heating and air conditioning HVAC systems in Toronto condo buildings. We work directly with individual condo owners and property management companies to deliver the best repair, installation, and maintenance services within Toronto condo community. This video is made for educational purposes. Enjoy! Number 1. Condo Fan Coil Systems. Fan coil systems are the most commonly used heating and air conditioning units in both low-rise and high-rise apartments in Toronto and GTA area. These systems reinstalled through the wall inside the pre-constructed cabinet. Fan coil units can be designed in both horizontal and vertical stack units. They are centrally controlled by your condo management through boiler and chiller. This means that you cannot switch from heating to cooling in the winter season because the central HVAC systems have been switched from air conditioning to heating until the next summer season. Number 2. Condo Heat Pump Systems. Condo heat pump systems, as known as water source heat pumps, are the second most common systems in Toronto condo buildings. These systems are designed in both horizontal and vertical stack models. We often see vertical heat pumps in residential high-rise condominium. Normally, horizontal units are installed and used in offices and commercial buildings due to space limitations. Heat pump systems use refrigeration cycles to provide heating and air conditioning. These systems can switch from heat to air conditioning or vice versa at any time of the year. The average cost of replacing a heat pump in a Toronto high-rise condo is between $2,800 to $4,500 plus applicable taxes. Number 3. Condo Magic Pack Systems. Condo Magic Pack systems are also known as package units. These systems are quite similar to residential gas or electric furnaces with one main difference. Magic Pack carries both heating and air conditioning components in one system. These components are built-in and accessible for repair services or even full replacement when it is required. Although Magic Pack systems are designed in both gas and electric, gas Magic Packs are more commonly used and installed in Toronto high-rise buildings. Semi-annual Magic Pack filter replacement and maintenance are recommended prior to the summer and winter seasons. Number 4. Condo PTAC Systems. PTAC units are mostly seen in hotel suites. These hotel-style air conditioning systems are capable of providing both heating and cooling at any time of the year. For heating, these systems use auxiliary electric heating, and for cooling they use a compressor and refrigerant to generate cold air in the summertime. Some PTAC systems use natural gas for the heating side. These systems are the 4th commonly seen units in Toronto condos buildings. Thank you for watching this video. For all the sales and service-related inquiries for your condo, simply send us a message online on our website or call us at 416-736-7001 to speak with a live agent.